everyone, good morning. Welcome to Vlogmas day 14. So for today, I wanted to do a taste test for Starbucks Starbucks Christmas drinks. They have a few new ones this year, so I wanted to try it out. And I also got a little puppuccino for Zeus, which you guys will see at the end of the video, him eating it. All right, so let's start with a classic. This one has been around for a really long time. It is personally one of my favorites, and I know it's Ryan's favorite. It's the peppermint mocha. So let's start off with a classic. Delicious, chocolatey. It is pepperminty, creamy, delicious. You guys know, you guys probably have had this drink. If you haven't, you should. It's a classic. When you think of peppermint mocha, this is what you think of. Or when you think of Christmas, this is what you think of, which is peppermint mocha. Yeah.
It tastes like the holidays.
It does, right?
I think peppermint mocha is like a staple for like holiday coffee drinks.
Yeah.
Anywhere you go, like when we went to Disneyland and we went down Main Street, get peppermint mocha. Just walked around when we had the passes. It's like when you know this, it's Christmas time.
Yeah.
So that's like a classic.
I'm gonna move on to this cold drink. This is a new one. It is the iced sugar cookie almond latte. Iced sugar cookie almond latte. That's what it is. So this one has like little sprinkles at the top. I don't know if you guys can't probably see it, but has like little red and green sprinkles. You guys can see it at the bottom. They're kind of just hanging out right down there. So let's taste this and see what it tastes like. And this is made out of almond milk, so I'm excited to taste it. It's honestly nothing special. It just tastes like a latte with sugar in it. Like, I don't taste any like cookie in it. I mix it a little bit to make sure all the flavors are there. Okay. You get a little bit of like toastiness, which would be like the cookie, but not that much. So it's good. It's just not, it doesn't taste like the holidays. So there you go.
This is a new one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. It's not bad. It's a normal latte, but like a little bit of a sugary cookie aftertaste.
Yeah, that's what so it's hard to get the cookiness of it, right? Like it just kind of tastes like sugar and latte.
So if you have a sugar cookie, and sometimes like when it gets like a little bit crispy, it has that little particular sugar cookie, like a toasty flavor.
Yeah.
That's what it has. It's not bad.
Yeah.
I wouldn't mind drinking it.
Okay.
But I wouldn't order it compared to the peppermint mocha.
You should mix them all when you do your iced coffee.
No.
Let's move on to this one here. This is the chestnut praline. So everybody talks about chestnut praline. It's so good. It's gonna replace the peppermint mocha. It's gonna replace the pumpkin spice latte. So let's taste it and see. It's pretty good. Is it peppermint mocha good? No, not even close. There's like a nuttiness. That's where the chestnut is. And definitely taste the nuttiness. Toastiness as well. Like, it tastes good. It tastes really good, but not as good as peppermint mocha. Chestnut praline.
This is the new one that people are craving about, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
They're crazy about it.
Let's see why. It's good. It's a better hazelnut.
Oh, maybe that's why I don't like it that much, because it's hazelnutty. Yeah.
No, it's not bad. Like in the order of things we have tested so far, this will probably be the second one.
Oh, really?
I would order this one again.
Okay.
Like if they didn't have the Ramoka, like for whatever reason, this is a
Yeah.
good one. Like this is more toasty, this is more warm. The Ramoka is like when you're outdoors and it's like, you know, walking around. It's not bad. It's really good.
The last one that I have here is toasted white mocha. So this one, I also really like. It's probably my second favorite, usually, like when I go to Starbucks. So let's see. Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Toasted white mocha.
Toasted white mocha.
Yeah.
That's good.
Yeah. That's my second favorite.
Really?
Yeah, because I don't like the chestnut praline. Because it's lighter. Like it's like peppermint mocha is like strong in your face. Like there's chocolate, there's peppermint. The white, the toasted white mocha, it's like, oh, it's soft. It's
Yeah, it is soft.
Yeah.
It's hard to explain, but yeah, soft is probably good.
Yeah.
It's not bad,
It's not.
but I like the chestnut more
Okay.
than this one.
Well, you can have the peppermint mocha.
Okay. I like it. Why not the other one?
Huh?
Why not the other one?
You can have this one too.
Yeah, look at that one first.
Both.
Yes.
And then these will be mine.
Cool.
Yeah. This is really good. So my kind of how I like it is peppermint mocha, white mocha. I'll go with the chestnut praline, and then the last one will be the almond latte, because that one is, it's all right. It's not great, but pretty good. Oh, and then Deuce will get his. So I'm gonna put you guys down. And
Well, show them the puppuccino.
I did little baby puppuccino.
So normally when we get a puppuccino, it's pretty big size.
They give us this one, but
Oh, no,
this
okay.
time they give us this time.
Yeah.
Which is fine. He saw the dog too. He saw how huge Zeus was.
Yeah.
He's like, here you go, here's your little pup. But maybe people ask for them too much and they're just like, here you go, here's your whipped cream. Alright, so let me bring you guys down. You like your pup? Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching,